Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively. To truly grasp physics, begin by focusing on understanding the core concepts rather than just memorizing equations. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practicing various problems, as this is crucial for applying your knowledge. Regularly review your class notes and textbook chapters to reinforce what you have learned and identify any areas needing more attention. This consistent approach will build a strong foundation. Mastering core concepts is paramount in physics. Try to visualize the physical phenomena described, perhaps by drawing diagrams or imagining real-world examples. Always connect new topics to what you have already learned, building a cohesive understanding of the subject. Don't hesitate to ask yourself why and how questions about every concept. This critical thinking will deepen your comprehension far beyond surface-level memorization. Aim for a clear mental model of each principle. Effective problem solving is a cornerstone of physics. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Clearly identify all the known quantities, what you need to find, and which formulas are relevant to the situation. Always pay close attention to units throughout your calculations, ensuring consistency. Finally, take a moment to check if your final answer is reasonable in the context of the problem. This systematic approach will greatly improve your accuracy. Consistent review and application are vital for long-term retention. Establish a regular study schedule, dedicating at least 3 to 4 hours per week specifically to physics review. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts to a friend or family member. Teaching others truly solidifies your own understanding. Furthermore, try to apply physics principles to everyday situations you encounter, making the subject more tangible and relevant. This active engagement will make physics stick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.